Hey, Stats on Deck Entertainment, Soldier Boy A-Rail, we got something new for y'all. Man, when somebody be in your face on your nerves, they're talking and you don't want to hear it, just be like, y'all, trick y'all! Hey, Soldier Boy, can I y'all trick y'all?
First, get the gel, or whatever product you use, and twist all those strands in there too. Now don't twist it all the way. Get your latch hook, and you place it up like this, going straight. Get the lock, put it in there, through. And I'm gonna go look at it. See? And I've got all those extra hairs around. You can see my did this one. And if you guys need any help, please comment, whatever. Peace.